Let's look at how to pronounce clod and code. So the name Claude in English has the ah vowel, just like in the word claw, like a cat's claw. So the past tense Claude is the same as this name Claude. In French, this name is Claude, Claude with an O sound. And so that's confusing if you're a French speaker trying to say Claude in English because it has a different vowel. The O vowel we have in the word code, and the O vowel is a sliding diphthong in English. So in English, you could change this. The letter O makes the letter E makes the O say its name. You could write it like code, similar to coat, but with a D sound. Or you could think about it like code with the co plus D. Basically, you want to make a difference here where this vowel is more open and slides, code, and this vowel is more closed and slides, and this vowel is more open and rounded just slightly, clod. In English, the difference between the that's rounded and the that's unrounded has been lost in some regions of the US. So some people may go as far as to say clod for this, which is like this word clod with a D. I would stick with the if you can hear that distinction. It makes it a little bit clearer that you're saying clod rather than clod. If you have to say clod code, that can be a bit of a tongue twister, or coding in clod, or the code for clod. Use clod for the code. You want to practice a few phrases, jumping back and forth between your vowel and your O diphthong. I hope this helped you with the words clod and code, and you can check out more videos for these vowels and similar pairs of words in our Minimal Pairs playlist and in our Sounds of English course and videos here on the channel. I'm Christine Dunbar from SpeechModification.com. Remember, if you want to sound like a native speaker, you can do it. SpeechModification.com. Bye, everyone. Hope to see you again soon.